Hello guys, this is Khalil Ahmed from MILLENNIUM Immigration Canada. Today I will talk about Beijing Open Work Permit in Canada. So what is it and who can be eligible for that? So please stay with me until the video ends up. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so do subscribe it please, and hit the bell icon button so that you can get latest videos on immigration related matters on time and you won't miss that. What is a bridging open work permit? So most of the people, they may not know about this bridging open work permit. Actually, this bridging open work permit for those people who are currently a valid Canadian work permit, which is expiring in 4 months, and they have applied for permanent residence under the economic class, such as through the express entry, like federal skilled worker class, federal trade class, and Canadian experience class. And it is also necessary for the work permit holders to be in Canada for the application to be submitted. Bridging open work permit is an extension to an existing work permit. Whatever open work permit you have, and that is going to be expired within 4 months, that bridging open work permit is an extension to that. It means that it will allow you to keep working and live in Canada as an applicant until you receive your permanent residence. But keep in mind, the applicants, whoever applied for that, they have to satisfy the eligibility criteria to receive a bridging open work permit. There is still a criteria to get bridging open work permit. Everybody cannot get that. So let's see what is bridging open work permit for permanent residence application. You see, I'm on government web page here, Government of Canada, with date is canada.ca. So bridging open work permit for permanent residence applicants. So guys, this page is explaining that a bridging open work permit lets you keep working while you wait for the results of your permanent residence application. You may be eligible if you applied to one of the permanent residence program below. So these are the programs. These are the people of these programs who are eligible to apply for bridging open work permit, because these people has applied for permanent residence of Canada, and this decision takes time. And some people's work permit gets expired or going to be expired. So for that purpose, they must have to keep their status valid until they get positive or negative decisions about their permanent residence application. A bridging open work permit for Quebec skilled worker and PNP applicants may be valid for 24 months or until their passport expires, whichever comes first. Bridging open work permits issued to people in other immigration categories will be valid for 12 months. So for other immigration categories, it will be valid for 12 months, but it will be valid for 24 months for Quebec skilled worker and PNP applicants. Spouses of bridging open work permit holders, they do not get automatically bridging open work permit. Their spouses. If your spouse want to work in Canada, they must have to apply as a spouse of a skilled worker or as a spouse of a full-time student, whichever applies for you guys. Spouses of study permit holders, they have a study permit here and they want to bring their spouses. They may apply for a spousal open work permit if they are eligible for a post-graduation work permit. So these are the eligible classes of immigration. I already mentioned them. You can see here. And have a wonderful day. Take care.